going to Twin Maui Waterfalls.
I have your stuff here.
Where are we going has a trail, restaurants, and farm stand. So let's go follow them to there. So right now it's sprinkling. It's not raining right now, it's just sprinkling. And lots of us are gateway.
Hey guys, move to your right.
Hi! Welcome to Olivia's channel.
This is the warning sign. Seems like there's fire ants here. We have to be careful. So we have to look before we enter.
Yeah, are you enjoying this trip? What are you going to tell your viewers? Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.
Oh wait, my dad could type that.
Ay, meron na
So
siyang
we actually done. We just have to walk down and we can swim at the waterfall, I think. Because I saw lots of people got wet. Let's go. You also have to be careful here.
What do you mean?
We're here at the Twin Maui Waterfall. Look, isn't it beautiful? We're here to swim.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, the water is so cold and so pretty. So I'm here in the water. There's the waterfall. Lots of people relaxing inside the water. And here's the waterfall.
Rat him. Rat him back.
I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna
Go swim, go.
You make it so wait, hold on. Can I watch Olivia? You watch him? 'Cause I don't trust this guy. Okay, so